So I've worn glasses since I was 4 years old, and I had no idea that I had keratoconus until I was in the military. I was 29 or 30 years old, and the military diagnosed me with keratoconus, and I had no idea what that was. And they continued to put glasses on me, and I continuously struggled because I was sitting in front of a computer screen and a monitor, and sometimes multiple screens all day long for my job. And it wasn't until I retired from the military that the VA in Las Vegas sent me to a very good doctor who specialized in keratoconus and put me into a rigid, permeable lens. And like the lights came on, I could finally see for the first time in my life, and I thought they were wonderful. A few years later, I moved to Wisconsin, and the VA referred me to the eye clinic of Wisconsin, where we're sitting right now, where I was introduced to Ovitz just 1 year ago. And when I got the Ovitz lenses and put them in, it was like a whole nother level of being able to see. Like I'm a big tough dude, and I almost cried. Seriously, I couldn't believe how good I could see. It's not perfect vision. I can still see what I've learned now are aberrations and the little blurs. But when I drive at night, I see maybe 2 or 3 faint street lights instead of, I would count and see like 45 to 50 shadow images of things. And now with the Ovitz lenses, if I see any shadow images at all, it's like maybe 1 or 2 and they're faint. My vision is just significantly better than it's ever been in my life.